Alright guys, so we have a lot of a lot of projects going on. Hi. He's working on that, Bobby's working on this. But I painted that bracket, definitely looks a lot better. Doesn't stand out so much, so that didn't take that long. I fixed this bracket back here because I showed you guys that it wasn't aligning, so I just chopped it. And the carburetor, or the fuel pump to carburetor line, this is the one that we ordered, but it just only goes to where the factory carb would be, but this isn't a factory carb, so we're just using it kind of for mock-up purposes. And then we'll probably actually just flare this and then make a coupling to go around to the input, whatever you want to call it, inlet, input. But yeah, like I said, slowly getting there. Still gotta find that alternator bracket. I'm not really sure where that went. And I still have to have Bobby put the actual dipstick tube in. But yeah, like I said, one step at a time. So we have our line, and it's 5/16, but we don't have any 5/16 fittings, so we have to order them. So we're gonna do, like I said, the fitting, and then we'll extend it to, because this just goes to the factory. What's it? I can't speak English apparently.
We already know that.
Factory, you know, factory carb thing.
You can't read either.
Shut up. But yeah, so we'll just get those in, and then we'll work on making it from the fuel pump to the carburetor, which shouldn't be too hard. But yeah.